Hello, everyone. Today we'll be doing a demonstration using CDP, showing the guest segment and web experience feature. I'm Walt Rolle, and I'm the global head of Sitecore Competency at EPAM. And I'm joined with my colleague here, Asit. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Yeah. Thanks, Walt. Hi, everyone. Myself, Asit Pani, and I'm working with EPAM as a lead software engineer. And so today, so I will be showcasing this guest and web experience with CDP. Yeah, Walt, you can take over.
Yep. And the scenario here is we're a marketer that wants to improve advocacy on the site. So if somebody signs up for the newsletter or makes a purchase, then we want to prompt them to invite friends. So we'll be showing about evaluating that logic and showing the right prompt. And then we'll also do an abandoned cart scenario. If somebody comes back to the site after abandoning the cart, we want to offer a coupon to see if we can get them to complete that sale. The primary features we'll be utilizing, as mentioned, will be the customer data area where the guests are and the web experience. Okay, so first let's take a look at the object model here. Asit, do you want to take us to the Boxever CDP?
Yep, sure.
Okay, so this is the guests under customer data. A guest profile is created anytime a person interacts with the brand, regardless of what channel they use. And also it stores information depending on what we're able to capture, like the name, guest type, the first time they've been seen, the last time they've been seen, things of that nature. Let's go under experiences and web and take a look at what is in there. So this is what has the presentation that we would show. For instance, it could be HTML. And we show that based on the outcome of a decision or the audience that they're in, or whether or not a page was targeted to use this type of experience. So next we'll go into a demonstration from the visitor's point of view, and then we'll come back here and take a closer look at how we utilize these features to change the experience while the visitor was on the site.
So this is the site we have built for this demo. And so once we land to our home page, so we can see like here we can see it says like hello guest. So at this moment we have not, so there is no data like captured here. So this is the anonymous visitor, and we are like showing the sign of like pop-up here, so that like we can capture the email address of the user, and so that we can store in the CDP. So let me like put my email address. And I'm clicking the submit button here. So the moment we like click the submit button, so now the like visitor, like the user has been created as a visitor, and like we have captured the email address. So if we see, we have used demo sign up @mil.com, and if I go here, yep. So here you can see the activity for this visitor, and here this is the timeline. And we can see like so this is the like guest identified, like this is the email address. Yeah, Walt, you need to take up.
Yep, that looks good. Let me see, we've captured quite a bit of information with just that one submission.
And
Okay.
the visitor.
So now that they've signed up, when you come back, will it change what happens next, or will they see the sign up again?
Yeah. So let me refresh the page. So the visitor has again visiting the site. So now we can see the invited friend pop up here. And here we can like go ahead and like invite a friend, or maybe we can say no thanks. So like for now I'm clicking the no thanks button, and this event is also captured in the CDP. So like next time the visitor comes to the same page, it won't pop up the same message here. Yeah, well.
Great. Can we see the logic in CDP where it was able to determine which presentation it was supposed to show?
Sure. So for this, we are using the web experience, and we have created two type of experience here. One is the newsletter subscribed users, and one is the newsletter non-subscribed users. So at the first time, we use the newsletter non-subscribed user experience. Okay, so let me show here. So here we have the content, and in the content, if we go to the view code, we can see this is the HTML. This is the out of box boxable screen which like we are using here, and for this experience we are using some specific page. For now we are using the home page as the targeting page, so this message will be appeared only on this specific targeting pages, not on all the pages inside our site. Yep. And like for specific use case, we are using the real-time audience here. So this is the logic we are capturing, and based on the logic, the message will be displayed in our site. We are checking the guest session, and from the session, we are checking what is the event type. If the event type is specific to this one, then like we are displaying the message.
Great. So a couple of things that I saw here were we can decide what pages this logic will be evaluated, and then we can change our presentation based on what the visitor is doing. Okay, so the next scenario we have is a similar logic, but a different use case, if you will. So this would be placing an order on the site. So if someone places an order, then we would like them to invite their friends or do other types of advocacy. Would you like to show us that one?
Yeah, sure. Yep. So this is the user already like signed up for this newsletter. So I am continuing in the site, and I am clicking the add to cart button. Yep, and I'll go with the checkout. So I use here. Yep. So I am filling the details to confirm my order. And so here this is the billing and shipping details, and now I'm going to place the order here. So the moment I click the place order button, so now the order is placed, and this event or the details has been captured in the CDP. So if I go to the customer data or the guest data, so I need to select all, and this is the user here, demo sign up. And if I go to the timeline where all the sessions has been captured, so I should able to see the details like what are the items we have added to the cart, and like how like we are proceeding with the order. So those information has been captured here. So now like we can see, okay, this user has been completed the purchase. Okay, and so if the user is visiting our site again, so now we are displaying a message saying, okay, can you please share the details with your friends or your family? Yep.
Excellent. Yes, so we captured a lot of data there on that one profile, all the different actions they took. They signed up for a newsletter, they told their friends, they completed a purchase, and now we're asking them to share once again. So the last scenario we have is abandoned cart. So let's start again and add something to our cart, drop out of the site, and see what CDP can do about this.
Yeah. So for abandoning the cart, so it takes 30 minutes to kill the session. So for that we have already one user here, so which is already we have captured the data, and so that session has been closed. So I'm going to show that user. Okay, one moment. Yeah. So this is the user. So he has added the item to the cart, and so due to maybe the internet issue, or he has closed the browser, so the session has been closed. So now we are displaying this message saying, okay, you will get some additional discount to proceed with the order. Yep. So for this, if I go to the CDP again, so here, so this is the user. So this user, the session has been abandoned here. We can see like abandoned session, and we are capturing the information in our web experience. If I go to the web experience and the abandoned cart, so this is the content. And again, here again, we are using the out-of-box HTML from the CDP. So we have just modified the content, and we are targeting for the home page, so that we are going to display only on the home page this message. And this is the real-time audience, our business logic. And based on the session card type abandoned, we are capturing the details, and based on that, we are deciding whether to display this message or not to the end user. Yeah, Walt, you need to add something.
Excellent. So we really covered a lot of different scenarios with the same features, so you can see how flexible it is. And then you mentioned the out-of-the-box templates help speed up the development of this by already having some of that presentation available. We just needed to layer in our logic. So I hope everyone enjoyed this CDP demonstration, and we're looking forward to seeing what experiences you create. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.